In Windows 10, you can create a system image backup that includes the operating system, the installed applications and programs, the user's profiles, and your data. It's a complete backup that allows you to recover your system and data from a major crash. Even if you lose your hard disk, you can place a new one and use the system image backup to reinstall your system. We call this operation reimaging the computer. To create a system image backup, I need to open Windows Settings from the Start menu. In the search bar, I type Backup. Then I click on Backup Settings. Under the Looking for an Older Backup section, click on Go to Backup and Restore Windows 7. This is the legacy backup utility still available on Windows 10. I think Microsoft keep it to allow users migrating from Windows 7 to Windows 10 to restore their data backed up by Windows 7. But I think that sooner or later, Microsoft will replace this utility with a newer version. Next, I click on Create a System Image. Here I need to choose where to save the backup. I'm going to choose my external disk drive. The wizard asks me what are the drives I want to include in the backup. By default, the drives that are required for Windows to run will be included, and you can't change that. So my system image will include the system reserved partition, the C partition, and the Windows Recovery Environment partition. Click Next. On the summary page, I have the backup location and the drives that will be backed up. Finally, I click on the Start Backup button. The backup process can take several minutes depending on the size of your drives. I'm going to pause the recording and resume afterward. At the end of the backup process, a pop-up window asks me if I want to create a repair disk. If I click yes, I get an error message saying that Windows did not find a CD or DVD burner. As my computer didn't have one, either the new machines, this step is worthless. I close this. Now let's check the content of the backup. The backup is saved under this folder, Windows Image Backup. There is another subfolder labeled with the computer name. This folder contains my system image backup and it's more than 20 gigabytes. The other folders contain the catalog and the logs necessary for the restore operation. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the system image backup to reimage a computer that fails to boot correctly.